What's up everyone? Today we'll be changing the engine air filter on a 2018 Toyota Prius. This video will work for Priuses that are from 2015 to 2021. Since I'm currently in 2021, I don't know if the 2022 works the exact same way, but if it does, I'll post it into the description below. There's tons of different filters out there. I tend to use STP filters, so if you're going that route, it's an SA11426. I did try to use the Fram once and everybody hated me for it. So first things first, we gotta pop the hood. You're going to do that by opening the door on the driver's side. You'll find the hood release right here on the lower left-hand side. Go ahead and pop that. And as you probably guessed, it'll release the hood. But it's not all the way open yet. That's because there's a little latch underneath that you need to release. You can feel around for it. It's right inside the center of the hood, and you just kind of lift it up. This latch is what prevents your hood from flying up on the freeway and smashing into your windshield. Anyways, lift up on the latch and then lift the hood. There's a rod on the top of the engine compartment that'll hold your hood open. It'll fit into the hole that's right here. The air filter is inside this housing here, the air filter housing. The housing's held shut by two silver metal clips. You don't need tools, just simply push one off with one finger. Pretty simple. And you're gonna push the other one off on the other side. Boom shakalaka. So all you gotta do now is grab this housing and lift it up. The filter, it's right there, right inside. Now you just grab it by the rubber edge and just lift it out, just like this. Now it's a best practice to make sure that the filter you took out and the one you're putting in are the same size. And in this case, we're in good shape. The new filter can now be set into the housing with the fins pointing downwards and the rubberized square ring on the top. Now to get the housing back on, there's a trick to it. You see on the back of the housing, there's these two square protrusions, or like square looking things that you're gonna insert onto the other part of the housing. Zooming in for detail, you can see what I'm talking about. You insert that protrusion into the little clip on the lower housing. And why not? Here we go again. This is a different angle, again showing you how those clips insert. With the filter housing reassembled, the push clips can now be pushed in place. On the other side of the housing, simply repeat, push the clip in place. And just like that, you're done. That was easy. And just like that, you've changed your engine air filter. If you find the video helpful, or if you enjoyed it, make sure that you like or subscribe so that I can continue making videos like this for you.
Just subscribe already.